Anupa. What do you like to have as your evening snack? Well, I like to have a nice cheesy pizza. So let's make this yummy atta pizza. I have got my prep ready. Now a good pizza base is very important because if you have the base nice and crisp, well, it all depends upon you, upon how you like to have your pizza. Whether you want to have it like a thin crust or a deep pan. We'll make something in between, but let's first get the base ready. Now I've got whole wheat flour. Yes, you heard it right. Now into the whole wheat flour, we're going to add in some fresh yeast. So just crumble it up and add it to the dough. Along with that, I'm going to add in a little bit of castor sugar. We've got some olive oil, little bit of salt, and mix all the ingredients well. And now let's add in water. And now we have to make this into a nice soft dough. And after you make the dough, we have to let it prove. Okay, so here goes our dough. It's ready. But right now, all we have to do is we have to let it prove. So just shape it up into a ball like this. Let this stay in the bowl. Let's cover it up with cling wrap. And now we'll keep it aside for about 40 minutes and then you will see what happens to the dough. And here you see the dough. Wow, it's looking so awesome. It's all swelled up, and what you can see here, it's just so porous because now it has a lot of carbon dioxide inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to knock this dough. So we'll need a little bit of dry flour. So take some dry flour and gather all the dough. Amazing. You just have to spread this evenly like this. So now what do we do? Now let's put some nice sauce, some cheese and some veggies. Pizza sauce. And let's add some mozzarella. And now let's add some onions, some mushrooms. We've got some peppers as well. And I also have some corn. So we've got some oregano, followed by some chili flakes. And now goes in some slices of black olives. And that's it. So let's bake this for about 25 minutes. So see you after 25 minutes with a pizza you're surely gonna love. And the pizza is ready. So let's cut it. So our pizza is ready, nice and cheesy and also healthy. So do give this recipe a try because I'm sure you all are gonna love it.